MT5 is a great trading platform and it has a lot of indicators which can help you to make a great trading decision. In this video I will show you 3 very popular and helpful trading indicators which you can use. So the first one is MFI, so Money Flow Index. This is an oscillator and this oscillator is very helpful in sideways trends. It helps you to find out areas where the asset is oversold or overbought. In general, it is very similar to stochastic indicator, to RSI, and other instruments, other oscillators like this. In general, how do you trade it? Well, it has values from 0 to 100. When the value of MFI drops below 20, it means that this particular asset is oversold and maybe it's a nice idea to buy. Of course, so when it goes above 80, it means that this particular asset is overbought and maybe it is a good occasion to sell. At 20, 80, those values, you can use them, but also you can change them and, for example, buy when it drops below 10 or sell when it drops 90 to get even better signals. Money Flow Index works excellent in sideways trends. Do we have something which works in trends? Yes, we do. This is Alligator and this indicator is based on moving averages. Actually, in this indicator we have 3 moving averages. First one is called a jaw of an alligator, of course, and it's 13 period moving average forwarded 8 periods. Then we have 8 period moving average TIF, which is forwarded 5 periods, and then we have leaps, which is 5 period moving average forwarded 3 periods. How do you trade this? As a typical crossing of moving average system. So you wait for the leaps to cross those two, so TIF and jaw. When leaps cross TIF and jaw from the bottom, so goes to the upside, it's a buy signal, and we have a cross from the top to the downside, it's a signal to sell. It works great in trends, although as a typical moving average system, it gets lost in sideways movements. The last one is ZigZag. It gives you lines on the chart which shows the beginning and the end of a swing, of a movement. When you put this indicator on the chart, it looks really awesome and you may think like, oh my god, that's a holy grail and I will use it in my trading. Well, I'm not a fan of this indicator. It works excellent in the past, and when you put this on the chart, it creates an illusion that based on it you can trade. Although you cannot use it to predict the future, it's a very lagging indicator, and when it shows you that there is a bottom, the bottom is already gone. So it's an interesting tool if you want to describe the past, but for trading the future, which actually that's the case in trading, I think there are some better indicators, although of course you can use it, you can check this indicator and see if you like it. One hint for you guys, if you plan to use an indicator, don't open a trade based on the indicator itself straight away. Wait, first put the indicator on the chart and see if those signals worked in the past. So you may see, for example, MFI, Money Flow Index, and see if always in the past when the price dropped below 20, it was a signal to buy, and when it went above 80, it was a signal to sell. test it, check it yourself, check it on various time frames, and see yourself if it works. If it worked in the past, you may be optimistic that it will work in the future, and maybe it will be a great idea to add it to your system. Thanks very much for watching this video, and see you on the next one.